Next, number 9.
Media shapes politics.
Galing. Okay, media shape politics. Ano yung red? Balasi. Balasi.
Buranday.
Media shapes politics. Media can sway political ideologies, influence voter behavior, and shape public perception of political events and figures. For example, political campaign advertisement can use persuasive techniques to shape public opinion and sway voters towards a particular candidate.
So meaning to say, especially this time na kami na atuang election. Meaning to say, through media, mas magdamit kayo sa inig campaign sa atong mga candidates. Okay, nasab na ni?
Yes, sir.
Number 10 pa. Ano number 10?
Media shapes.
Media shape.
Kapit pa mo.